filled cheese rolls. 1 cake fresh yeast, 1/4 cup lukewarm water, 3/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons butter, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg beaten, 3 cups sifted all-purpose flour. Filling: 1 cup cottage cheese, 1/2 cup peanut butter, crunch style. Soften yeast in lukewarm water. Heat milk to boiling point, remove from heat and add butter, sugar, and salt. Cool to lukewarm, add yeast and egg. Stir in flour, making a soft dough. Knead until satiny. Place in a bowl and cover with a damp cloth. Allow to rise until doubled in size, about 1 to 1½ hours. Punch dough down and let it rest 10 minutes before rolling out 1/4 inch thick. Spread with filling, roll it up as for jelly roll, and cut off 1-inch slices. Place cut side down on greased baking sheet 1 inch apart. Cover, let rise until light. Bake in hot oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 20 minutes.